What's up everyone, Original Dobo here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I get these super smooth, silky shots for only $15. Stay tuned to find out. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Fast Friday. This is a segment where I talk about a product, tip, or rant and try to do it all in under 3 minutes. Today we are talking about this. This is the newer Dolly. It's a tabletop mobile dolly. Yeah, it sort of looks like a roller skate, but it's definitely not. One of the big reasons why I picked this over a slider is because this is really versatile. I can literally put this up against a wall, roll it, basically do 360s around the product. It's really interesting. It has a fully articulating leg, or I should say axles. The axles articulate side to side. It's very smooth. There are a Beck 5 bearings in each of these wheels. There's 4 wheels on here. And what I really like about this, unlike a slider where you have to position your camera in the perfect angle to make sure that it never ends up in the shot, with the dolly, you don't have to worry about that. The only thing that you definitely do need is a ball head to get your camera up over the wheels, especially if you have a big DSLR camera. You're gonna wanna make sure you give yourself enough of clearance to get out of the way. It's definitely a great product for somebody who's on a budget or a filmmaker that really wants those smooth cinematic tabletop shots, but they don't wanna spend the money on a slider. I'm going to be sure to include links in the description below if you want to check out this tabletop dolly for yourself. I think it's essential to have, and it also just gives you that added sort of professionalism on your shots, and it doesn't require any additional stabilization, which is something I can really appreciate. Now, if you're worried about whether this would work like on grass or something, simple solution, get yourself some, I don't know, plywood or something to try to smooth out the track, and you've got yourself a really cheap solution. Guys, that's going to do it for Fast Friday. Hope you enjoyed. I will catch you next week. I'm Original Dobo, reminding you to stay original.